Okay, so this video will be more about the response modes. So before this, we just created an agent with just the standard response styles. So I'm just editing this existing agent. You can obviously create more agents, but then for now, for simplicity, I'm just editing this existing agent. I'm adding star format to this, and I'm hitting save changes. And the next time, whenever I start interview, and as you know, I'm going to make this visible just for you guys to see the application. And now I'm going to hit this drop down. Now we see the other response mode, which is star, which we didn't see before. Um, so this is for answering behavioral interviews. So for example, there is a situational questions, something like, tell me about a situation where you were criticized in your team and how did you deal with the criticism? Now if you focus, I didn't press on the send button. I hit the star button and now I see a formatted response. Now I have the situation, task, action, and result. So you can start in the interview saying that you are working at Amazon and then you built an initial version of retry workflow. Then you can explain all these things. For example, if there is a follow-up question, something like, um, so you said you used exponential backoff, right? What did you do exactly there? And now if you observe, I just hit the send button. I did not use any star technique now. So this is a follow-up question. For this follow-up questions, we always stick to the same send button all the time. Whenever you want a formatted response, only then you're going to use the response format. And then now you can answer this. So I said the retry delay and it grows after each failed attempt. And then first attempt waited for 30 seconds, so and so, so and so. So this is the behavioral. This is for all the behavioral questions. So if you're going to interview for FANG companies like Microsoft, Amazon, and any other things like Meta or something, they expect you to answer in a formatted way, which is a star format. So you can use the star response type for all those kinds of interviews. And then remember, you're only going to click the star for the first time, and then all the follow-up questions you're going to stick with the regular send button. I'm going to show you one more example. Can you tell me about a situation where you had a difficult teammate to handle and how did you deal with that situation? So at Amazon, I work with an engineer who rejected review comments and delayed changes, so and so, so and so. Okay, what did you do in the one-on-one meeting? So during the one-on-one meeting, I understood their concern. I did not push their design. So you understood the problem, right? So for the first time, we are going to click on a star, and for all the follow-up questions, we are going to stick with the send button. So that's about the star response format.